Welcome, makers, to Stage 6. The swan's wings and final details. Just like in every stage before, remember that whether you're creating the Moon King or the Sun Queen, every royal swan comes together the same way. In this final stage, we'll attach the wings, shape their flow, and add those last, delicate touches that give your swan elegance, character, and life. This is where all your hard work comes together into one magical creation. So, take a soft breath, relax your shoulders, and let's get started. If you like, lightly draw soft curved guidelines across each wing. These simple marks help you see exactly where each feather layer will be placed. Before attaching anything, sort your feathers by size, large and medium. Set 3 large feathers aside and trim about 2 centimeters or 3/4 of an inch off the base so each one is roughly 8 centimeters long. Now place these trimmed feathers along the second guideline from the wing's narrow end, the side that attaches to the swan's body. This line sits just above the tip of the wing. Glue the feathers along this line to create the first feather layer. Just above that first layer, glue 3 to 4 medium-sized feathers. Trim the bases so they sit neatly and overlap the first layer slightly. This gives you a soft, natural feather transition. Repeat the exact same layering on the other wing. The same number of feathers, the same trimming, the same placement. This balance keeps both wings perfectly symmetrical. Now place one wing against your swan's body. Using your needle, felt the wool base of the wing, not the feathers, into the body. Needle gently underneath and around the feather line until the wing feels secure. Next, take 3 more medium feathers and trim about 2 centimeters off the base. Glue these shorter feathers on the third layer, right above the larger ones, to create a soft, tapered finish. One helpful tip, keep both wings side by side as you work, so every layer matches perfectly. Mix a tiny pinch of Angelina fiber with about 0.1 grams of white wool, just enough to lightly cover the glued feather bases and blend them into the wool body. Place this small bundle over the base of the last feather layer. Use your 40-gauge needle to felt it gently until the feather bases disappear and melt smoothly into the swan's body. After felting, use small scissors to trim any stray wool or feather edges so the base looks neat, clean, and beautifully blended. Now repeat all the same steps on the other side of the swan, attaching and blending the second wing so both sides match perfectly. If you'd like, you can add a ribbon around your swan's neck. The Moon Swan uses a silver ribbon, and the Sun Swan wears a gold one. Use a very small amount of glue to attach the crown to the swan's head. Gold crowns belong to the Sun Swan, and silver to the Moon Swan. Beautiful work, makers. Stage 6 is complete, and your beautiful swans are ready.